Two giants, one question. iPhone 16 Plus or OnePlus 13T? Which one really delivers? On the left, it's the big, beautiful Apple Intelligence-powered iPhone 16 Plus. And on the right, the lightning-fast, pro-level photography machine, OnePlus 13T. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. Each category gets scored, so you'll see exactly how they stack up, point by point. The result might just surprise you. Okay, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick mind map of what we're actually comparing these flagships on. Price, performance, battery life, camera, design and build, ecosystem and software, and connectivity. So, you ready to see how they each stack up? Let's kick things off with the price. Apple iPhone 16 Plus. Yeah, you guessed it. It's got a higher base price. That's kind of been their thing forever. But honestly, you do get some perks, like the high resale value and those slick Apple trade-in deals, which can soften the blow a bit. Now, over to OnePlus 13T. This thing is like the rebel in the premium phone world. It's more affordable and, get this, they usually drop super aggressive launch offers that, honestly, can make buying way more tempting. But heads up, the resale value isn't at Apple's level, and you'll see fewer top-tier financing options here. So, if you're looking to spare your wallet, the OnePlus does edge out the iPhone here. Now, let's talk performance, which, let's be real, is where most of you get that phone envy. iPhone 16 Plus runs the Apple A18 chip with this wild AI neural engine. Like, everything feels snappy. Gaming, apps, and all sorts of on-device intelligence. It's smooth and stable. Only hitch? You can't upgrade RAM or tweak stuff, but it's built to last. Okay, on the OnePlus 13T, you're getting a beastly Snapdragon or maybe Dimensity 9300 chip. Fast? No question. Plus, OxygenOS is tuned for speed. And if you love having more RAM or picking your storage, this phone gives you choices. But here's the thing. If you push it hardcore, it can get warm and throttle a bit. Plus, OxygenOS sometimes tosses in a few pre-installed apps you probably don't want. In the end, Apple just pulls ahead on pure performance this round. Moving over to battery life, and wow, both of these are powerhouses. iPhone 16 Plus gets up to 30 hours of video playback. That's almost binge-watch territory without a recharge. And its chip sips power, only you don't get the ultra-fast charging. Over on OnePlus 13T, this battery is massive, and the SuperVOOC fast charging is nutty. Like, you can top up in minutes instead of hours. But, pro tip, crank up that high refresh rate, and you'll notice the battery drops faster. Plus, ultra-fast charging can squeeze lifespan long-term. So, honestly, it's tough to call. The battery life nod is a tie. Both are seriously good, just different styles. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that the iPhone 16 Plus now has an action button? Seriously, this thing lets you launch apps, record voice memos, or trigger accessibility features with just one press. It's like giving your thumb superpowers. Where was this 5 years ago, right? All right, let's see which camera is going to make your Instagrid pop. iPhone 16 Plus brings that super crisp 48-megapixel main shooter. Excellent for natural colors and detail. There's even a 2x telephoto mode and macro ultra-wide. Plus Apple's photographic styles and those wild spatial videos. Super unique. The downside? No fancy periscope zoom. And while night shots are good, some rivals do it better. Now, OnePlus 13T? This mold's got a 50-megapixel triple setup, plus an actual periscope zoom and ultra-wide for those group shots or scenic stuff. Their pro modes and color tuning are fire. But, and here's my hesitation, sometimes low light brings up more noise, and stabilization for video isn't as buttery smooth as the iPhone. So in overall camera performance, iPhone keeps its lead. Let's talk about design and build, because honestly, these phones are flexing hard. iPhone 16 Plus goes premium with ceramic shield in front and color-infused glass on the back, plus those slim, classy bezels. It's clean, but you don't get wild material choices here, just Apple's signature look. For the OnePlus 13T, you get Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with a beefy aluminum frame, flat-edged modern vibes, and, yep, bolder colors. Only thing, it's a bit bulkier, and, weirdly, it doesn't boast the same official IP rating as the iPhone. So, fair play. Both are solid in build and equally stylish, coming out as a tie. Now it's time for a biggie: ecosystem and software. iPhone 16 Plus with iOS 18 is like being handed the keys to Apple's kingdom. It's seamless if you use a Mac, iPad, Apple Watch, plus all these fresh Apple Intelligence AI features baked right in. Updates stay strong for years. Flip side, it's a tighter, closed system. Not much you can customize. OnePlus 13T leans hard into OxygenOS, which is fluid, customizable, and honestly friendlier for sideloaders or Android fans. But update support stops earlier, and sometimes you miss regional features. Ultimately, iPhone wins for a longer-lasting, more integrated experience. Finally, let's hit connectivity. iPhone 16 Plus packs in Wi-Fi 7, crazy fast 5G speeds, satellite messaging for emergencies, and dual eSIM on global models. US buyers lose the physical SIM, and Bluetooth is just 5.3, but that's still solid. On OnePlus 13T, also rocks 5G and Wi-Fi 7, plus you get actual dual SIM, physical and eSIM for flexibility, plus the latest Bluetooth tricks. But no satellite messaging, and depending on where you are, your global band support can get iffy. So, for staying connected anywhere, iPhone just edges out again. Alright, so just looking at the overall scores across the board, both phones crush it on battery and design, and OnePlus sneaks ahead for price. But when you stack up performance, camera, software magic, and even connectivity, iPhone's coming out in front. You know what? If you want that seamless AI vibe, long updates, and all your gear working perfectly together, iPhone 16 Plus is your go-to. But if you love wild charging speeds, customizing everything, and top-tier Android speed, OnePlus 13T is a killer value, no doubt. So let's hear it. Are you Team Apple, living life in the ecosystem, or Team OnePlus, chasing radical speed and features? If you like this rundown, save it, and you'll always have the inside scoop on next gen.